Happy Sunday, folks. It's Nicolasa. I am here to share with you how I make my wool felt balls for traveler's notebooks. Right now, I am in Planner Bliss because I learned how to make these. I did learn how to make them from a YouTube video, so I'm going to share the same thing with you. Basically, you want to have the tools that I have here. It's an X-Acto knife. So not expensive at all. Got that from Michael's. You want to have some sort of glue. I have Gorilla brush on glue. And of course you want to have your paper clips, depending on what size you're doing. And of course your wool felt balls. So I've got plenty. All right, I'm making those so that they can match with my traveler's notebook. You'll see this little one here. They come in different sizes. And the little ones, I am not going to glue them because my paper clip is really small, or sorry, big. So gluing them kind of doesn't make any sense. So as you can see, I kind of looped it right through the little one. I don't like how that looks, so what I plan on doing, and I opened this up in order to do that, I got that from a YouTube video that I watched. What I plan on doing is getting the smaller paper clips to go for the smaller balls, okay? So I'm just going to put that off to the side. What you want to do is you want to get your ball. You want to center, get into the center of the ball, and then push your knife down, not all the way, but push it down, and then kind of wiggle it a little bit, because what you're going to do is insert the paper clip there. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to watch my fingers. I'm not going to put my fingers there. I'm going to kind of just maneuver a little bit because I'm making a slit in the middle of the ball, as you can see right there, okay? I'm going to leave my knife there. I don't want it to come out of here. I'm going to leave it right there until I'm ready to put my paper clip in there. You grab a paper clip, and what you want to do is make sure that the two loops are down at the bottom, because that's where it's going to hook onto paper, and this is where your ball is going to go, right at the top. Okay, I'm going to grab that one. All right, you're going to grab your glue, whatever glue you're using. Again, I am using Gorilla Glue, and you want to just apply a little there on the sides and all that. It might drip a little, so be careful. Then what you want to do is take your knife out. You should still have your slit completely right there for you to see. You're going to put that paper clip right there where you cut the spot. Stick it right in there, okay? And then you could either blow on it or just put it down. With Gorilla Glue, it's gonna dry in like seconds. So make sure it's center. And there you go. Now I have a lime green one, in addition to all the other ones that I have. I'm going to keep making these because, and then as you can see, this is not coming off. I'm going to keep making these because I love these things. All right. I hope this very short tutorial helped you a lot. I know that I love them on my planners. They look amazing to, use as a paper clip, basically. I'm going to show you how, I don't have my planner in front of me, but basically in your books, if you want to put them on the page, you just do like that, and that's how they look. So I usually put a couple in my planners, and it looks awesome. It's really cute. And then I know some people take these and they actually decorate them too with putting little, little things on top of it like this, making faces or whatever. I'm not going to go that far. They'll put something like right here underneath it just to have it like different. That's cool. All right. You guys enjoy your Sunday, and I hope you know that this is awesome and a quick way to decorate your TN and make it unique. Have a great one.